We finished the first requirement of paragraph 3. However, one possible solution to consequence 1. Solution 1 explained in details. We did that. And we wrote, evidently, this solution was proven in multiple studies in KSA and UAE. Now, let's continue. Next solution using a GPS device. Let's start with the linking word in addition. Of course, no indent, this is the same paragraph. Now, a possible solution to consequence 1. We don't need to write any details, we just have to mention it lightly, just like how we did in paragraph 1. The risk of getting kidnapped. Solution 1 explained in details. Now we already know a GPS device, but now we have to talk and give a bit more details. Using a GPS device. Now, what's the benefits of GPS device? Of course, to locate something or someone, to know where they are, to make sure they are safe and still in the mall. We finished explaining solution 2. Now, let's write the linking word and the evidence. Time to write paragraph 4, which is the summary. Indent, in conclusion, which is the linking word, comma, rephrase or rewrite the topic sentence in paragraph 1, the one that we already wrote, write it again differently. Then full stop, and then you continue. Now, let's leave an indent here and write in conclusion. Now, just in case, in the exam, if you make such a mistake, like the L is very close to the C, they might consider it as D. So just to be safe, cross the word and write it again. Comma. And now it's time to rephrase the first sentence you wrote in paragraph 1. Just change it a little bit, make it smaller, maybe make it a little bit shorter, maybe a bit longer. Now, we have summarized and wrote the first sentence. We summarized the beginning, the problem, and the 2 consequences, wasting time, unsafe situations. Now let's continue into the next part. In light of these findings, I think that now we will mention solution 1, solution 2 quickly, because this is summary. Last paragraph is not supposed to be a long one. I came up with more words than I should. Moreover is here. Solution 2 using a GPS device is as critical and both would provide surprisingly sharp results. I wrote is just as important and I was thinking about writing and together they can keep kids safer. We can stop here or just write and more responsible, but we can stop it just right here. Both are acceptable, is as critical and both would provide surprisingly sharp results, or this part. It might seem that I've written a lot of details and it's too much, but rest assured, my handwriting is just big for the sake of the video.